Eh?
AAC2.
AAC2. That is 1 star. All those kidnappers that I arrest, are you involved with them? Yes or no? Huh?
Yes.
Who they supply them weapon? They use your weapon? Yes or no? Tell me the truth. I am Hassan by name, Hassan Yakubu. I am ACG, counter-terrorism in Nigeria. And I want to ask you a question. And you tell me the remaining people, we are going to free you as an officer, man. And I need the truth, and the truth will save you. I need the remaining people, I want to get them arrested, because that is my position. Anybody that will commit in our land, not our land, in any land, by the grace of God, when I get there, I'll get the person. You get my point? So I want to tell you, I want you now to tell me the remaining people. This ACG, Hunter Group of Nigeria, talking to you. And you are civil defense, or position 1 star. I want to tell you, do you involve in kidnapping issue? Yes or no?
Yes.
I will lie against you. I be it's truth.
It's true.
Where is the weapon? The gun that I used to give them to operate. Where is the gun?
It's at home.
It's at how many guns that I used to give them? 2 guns. What type of gun? What type of gun?
AK.
How many AK?
2.
2 AK. Where do you get the AK from? Where do you get the AK from? Talk. I'm in haste. Because anything that I do today, I have to send it to our CG. This is Hunter Group of Nigeria arresting civil defense. Before anything, if we can forgive you, fine. Whatever the CG says, fine. But I want you to tell me, where do you get the AK from? Talk now.
It is that full animal who brought it for me.
Which full animal?
That
Robo. How many people involved in this case in Chakaruku? Don't hide anything from me. Tell me, that one will make you to say.
I am.
Which of your friends?
Abdullah Ibrahim.
Abdullah Ibrahim from where? Which language? Ebra. How many guns Abdullah have? How many guns Abdullah have? Apart from your 2 AK, what of Abdullah? How many guns Abdullah get?